Okay, so we are on EURUSD and this is my analysis for EURUSD. So on the monthly time frame, you can see that this is on an uptrend. Okay, so I'm anticipating that it's going to come down to probably continue the uptrend. Yeah, so this particular moment is still on a pullback, as you can see. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, it's still showing same thing. Yeah, so but based on my strategy, I have been able to mark out some points of interest. Okay, so from my monthly time frame, I was able to mark out some points of interest. So I'm anticipating that within this range 1.197 and 1.05, some things may necessarily happen. Either it goes up or it comes down. Okay, now, so before it gets there, if you also see another opportunity, you can as well take the opportunities. Okay, but these are like the range that I'm looking out for, because after my own analysis, I'm thinking that the downtrend still continues further. Okay, so this particular place I marked is my own range of activities. Okay, so let's go to the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, still showing the same thing. Now the daily time frame, so because I'm looking out for a sell when it's close to this region or a buy when it's close to this region, you get. So now this is my own analysis for this week. So there's still like an imbalance somewhere around here. This particular big red candle, so the buys are like trying to go fill up this imbalance. So I'm not really sure if the imbalance has been filled yet. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now in the 4-hour time frame, I can see something. So this can also be a sign, that probably price might likely to come here. Price might likely to come here. Price might likely to come here. 1.17, and then probably feel this imbalance and then go down. So but if I'm to take this trade, I will take it that price might likely to come here 1.1749 and probably come down to feel there's still some imbalance somewhere here that has not been filled. There's a lot of imbalances below too that has not been filled, that I still feel that it might fill up before probably going to 1.19771. So the only thing you have control over is your risks. So right now we're actually on a buy. I sent it to the group. We're actually on a buy, so I'm anticipating that it might get up here and then further come down. So how am I going to take this trade? I'm just going to take it like this. I'm going to take a short position here and then just might take it to this point. You can also take it further down. My stop loss is going to be somewhere here, just above here. So this is going to be my big trade for this week. Now I'm not certain, but at least I'm certain of my risks. This is how much I'm willing to lose. 1:11. Okay, so mixing about let's say 30 pips, which is not even up to that, around 22 pips or so. So that's what I'm mixing. So this is what I based on my own analysis, based on my own strategy, I feel is going to come down. Yeah, but I just want to take it somewhere here in case it doesn't get to this point. Okay, so this is my own analysis for this trade for Euro USD. I may be wrong, but at least I'm controlling my risk. So this is what I think is going to happen probably before it gets to 1.19771. Okay, but if you want to wait, you could wait till it gets to 1.19771 and then starts going down. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. So if you want to join my free Telegram group, the link is in my bio. If you want to also get the Forex made easy, because the link is also in the bio. Okay, have a wonderful week, a peaceful week.